Hello? Isabel? Sky told me Kit was with you. Are you two still around here somewhere? Hey, who's back there? Kit? You know I don't like to be jump scared. What the? What is this?
Fool! You blew it! Nobody enters my home and leaves in one piece!
Your home? I thought this was Isabel's place.
Well, okay, technically it is her house. But still, you will not leave in one piece!
What do you mean by that?
Well, normally I'd eat your soul and toss your body, but you're a lucky kitty. You know why? Because you get to live! I just so happen to be missing a brain-dead servant.
A servant? What are you going on about?
Well, the old one got himself killed. His head popped off, and now I need a new pet. Your strength seems to prove great use.
Hold on! I don't plan on being anyone's anything! Not until Mew cough up my son!
Oh, so you're willing to make a trade then? Those two poor delicious souls for your life?
I mean, I do have 9 of them. Promise Mew can bring my son back?
Pinky swear and everything. I understand your concerns for your family. Anyone would do anything for their loved ones. So what do you say, Catman? Won't you high-five an old sinner's hand?
For my son.
Yes!
Huh? But what happened to me?
We've just sealed the deal, Cat! We're in business. And now it's time for you to go to your new home. Ha!
Ah!
The funny thing is, once you're in there, you won't remember who your son is. Everything will seem like a perfect reality.
Wow! I feel like $1,000,000! What a beautiful day in my favorite town that I've always lived in.
Howdy do, Meowscles.
Jen! You're looking fantabulous, just like always.
Ooh, Meowscles, stop it! I'm blushing. Oh, your friend Midas called. I'm sure he has some crazy new get-rich-quick scheme.
Oh, that Midas. What a card!
See ya, honey.
Later, Jen. Ah, M.
Idly ho, neighbour.
Wonder who lives in this dump.
Nobody lives here.
Oh, hey, Sky.
Hey,
So what can you tell me about this house?
there's no need for such questions, Meowscles. Here, let us go to the park, yes? For some quality fun.
Sure. Lead the way. I swear, I've never seen that building in my life, Sky. You sure it's always been like that?
Of course! It's been there since before you moved in!
Oh, and when exactly did I move to this place?
Years ago! Kitty bro, you asked too many silly questions!
Years ago? That doesn't seem right. Actually, now that I think about it, this place is a little too perfect.
Well, of course it is, silly! It's Toon World! The most perfect and kid-friendly place ever!
Kid? Kit! I have a son! I'm here looking for Kit!
Wow, that was fast. Well, Meowscles. You figured it out.
What did Mew do to me? Where am I really?
What? Don't you love it here? I made it specifically out of your memories.
But my son, Kit, where is he? We had a deal. I offer up my life for Kit and Isabel's.
Yeah, about that. Remember how the old contractor had his head pop off? That wasn't a coincidence. It popped off the moment he stopped being useful to me.
What? Why?
Because it's fun. This whole place is my little playground. And guess who else became obsolete? Good luck getting out of here alive. Because you totally won't!
Jen? Lynx? Gotta find a way out of here. You really didn't want me going inside this place. Maybe there's an exit somewhere. Something.
Meowscles, stay with us.
Don't leave us.
Get rich quick scheme.
Okay. There's gotta be something useful here. Something...
Für meine Webseiten verwende ich schon seit langem Squarespace, weil ich so viele verschiedene Interessen
Or someone?
Paul, help us!
Kit? Kit!
Paul, you found us!
Kit! What's going on here?
I can explain. This whole thing is my fault.
Huh? Isabel? What happened? Why does he have you all tied up?
She was trying to help me! And she did, but it summoned him!
Yeah, I wanted to make Kit better, but Kit was getting worse and worse after touching the scroll that Raz had. It seemed like something was consuming him. I wanted to make it right. I went through many books, many spells, until finally I found one that I thought would work. But instead, it summoned Grimy.
Grimy? So that's his name.
Yeah, Paul, we have to get out of here before he finds us!
And where is he, son? Where is he right now?
Right in front of you!
Huh? Ah!
Yeah!
Where are they? Where's Kit?
Oh, wouldn't you like to know? I mean, you would. You just said that. But I'm not saying anything.
I'll make you eat those words.
Oh, the only thing I'll be eating is your soul. You did offer it up to me.
Yeah, but you didn't keep your end of the bargain.
Well, you know what they say. Don't make a deal with the devil. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Ha-ha! Yeah. Yeah. That's what Mew deserve.
I don't understand. You're in my world now, not your world.
I'm done talking with you, Grimy. What's it going to take to get me out of here?
So you want to go back to your world, eh? Let's make another deal, yes?
Here, I have a better idea. How about you take your contract and return to where you belong?
Hey, wait! I'm allergic to bullets! Ah!
Ugh!
Yeah!
Oof! Paul!
You understand that's not how contracts work, right? You've got your souls back, for now. But Meowscles, you're quite the character. Therefore, you should stay as one. At least, until we meet again.
Oh, is that really you?
It is, son. It's me. Isabel, you okay?
Yes, but you made a contract with him, didn't you?
I did. Isabel, is there any way I can turn back to normal?
Unfortunately, no. I'm afraid if you don't go after him, you'll be stuck like that. Forever.